heading towards a theorem. There is a theorem that let a, b, and c be integers where a is not equal to 0. Then if a vertical bar b and b vertical bar b, then a vertical bar b bar c. Which means that if b can be divisible by a, like b can be divided by a and c can be divided by b, then a can be divided by c too. Like it means that, which means a can directly divide c now. Like both stuffs are there, but now a can divide c2. Like how are we gonna prove this off here? Let's go for the proof. So let's, it's the equation for the question. Our proof that a, b, and c be integers where a is not equal to 0. Then if a is divisible by b and b is divisible by c, then a divisible by c. So we're gonna say suppose a divisible by b and b divisible by c, as we know that one here, as we have studied that off here. Let's say, okay, there exist integers m1 and m2 such that, what are these m1 and m2? I will tell you. M1 and M2 are integers produced due to A divisible by B and B divisible by C. Like if we're gonna have this operation here, there will be some answer. The answer will be M1. If we're gonna perform this one, the answer will be M2. As we are gonna take only A divisible by B and B divisible by C because they two are given. So we take given in proofs and we're gonna say the answer will be M1 and M2. Okay, okay. Now we're gonna say B, as we said, this means B is divisible by A. So B is equal to AM1 because that is being divisible by A. So you have to ever write this one equation as B is equal to AM1. M1 will be the newer one, and this one we can write C is equal to upar wala, the one here, which is B and M2 because that is being produced. So you have to write the denominator type stuff or on the right of the vertical bar as B is equal to AM1. The M1 is the new reproduced. Then same here, C is equal to, then this one BM2. Okay. So we are heading towards now these two we got. So we're gonna just put this one B is equal to AM1 in this one. Like here C is equal to BM2. We're gonna put B value of this one here, which will be AM1 multiply M2. We have got this a m1 m2 are there. Now by m1 m2 multiplying, there will be another integer which is m3, which means that if we're gonna divide anything by anything, there will be a new integer will be producing, which means this one a by a divided by c, or a vertical bar c, which means that it's proved now that when we are gonna do this stuff here, so a new integer will be produced and they can be divide each other. That is our proof here, which is proved now.